Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to unpack RAR and zip files using app called RAR on Huawei Nova Y90. So in order to do this, first you will need to get this app. We've shown you how to download it in our other video. Now let's open it. From here find the file that you want to unpack, and in my case it's DCIM and then camera. Here's it, camera.rar. So let's click on it. That way we should get access to these files. Now click on the arrow pointing up, and that way you will unpack entire archive. You can change any of these options, but it's not necessary. Go for the browse to pick destination where to unpack the files, and I want them in the movies folder. Click OK to save that, and then OK again to unpack. Now if we go to the movies folder, there should be 3 pictures right here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.